Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at the most common sounds coming from your ice maker.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Automatic ice makers can produce many different noises. Here are some of the most common sounds that customers ask our technicians about. Number 1. A loud buzzing noise coming from the back of the refrigerator. This loud buzzing noise happens when the ice maker goes into the harvest cycle and calls for water through the water solenoid valve. When the valve is energized with 115 volts, it can produce a buzzing noise coming from the rear of the refrigerator for a few seconds. This noise only occurs every 90 minutes when the ice maker goes through the harvest cycle. Number 2. A running water sound. This sound can occur when the ice maker is filling up after it dumps the cubes. Upon completion of the harvest cycle, you will hear water running to fill the ice maker again. Number 3. A rattling sound every 70 to 90 minutes. This sound is caused by the ice maker going through a harvest cycle. The ice is then dumped, causing a rattling noise as the ice drops into the tray. If you have ever experienced any of these sounds and worried that your ice maker may be defective, there is no need to worry, as these are completely normal and part of the appliance's function. If this video has helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.